Standard 2nd Maths Chapter number 11 Measurement. We have learnt various units of measuring length such as handspan, a cubit, or pace, etc. Handspan means here, for example, if I will take this measurement of like this, then it will measure this much. But small children, it will, if small children will take measurement like this, then their hand is small, and because of that the measurement will not come same. All have different size, so all the handspan will come in different size. For example, here they have given, but these units are not accurate because all of us have a different size of handspan, cubit, and pace. Okay, if I will take this measurement, then it is coming this much. But if small children will take, then maybe it will come up to here, so it will not come in same size. All have their handspan different, so measurement will also come different. So we need standard unit of measurement to get the same and accurate answer. These units are called standard unit of measuring. Measurement of length. Here again we measure length in meter and centimeter. How we will measure the length? We will measure length in meter and centimeter. Long things are measured in meter and small thing will measure in centimeter. Okay, so I am giving you example of meter. That is, if you want to measure length of bicycle, for example, then it will come in measure meter. Okay, for example, I am giving bicycle I have given, but I will take measurement of car. All the car have different size, so if you want to take measurement, then it will we will measure in meter. Here they have given measurement of table. I will tell you to take measurement of window, door. Okay, I have given example of car, door, window. Here they have given example of table. So we measure length in meter and centimeter. Longer things are measured in meter. As I told you, long thing will measure in meter. So this table is long. Okay, 2 meter long. And meter is standard unit of length in metric system. Meter is the standard unit of length, and smaller length are measured in centimeter. I am giving example of eraser. If you want to measure this much eraser, then we will measure it in centimeter. Okay, so here they have given some examples. So 1 meter, the length of this boy is 1 meter. Then about 2 meter table length. Then gift box is there about 30 centimeter because it is small. And book will also measure in centimeter. Okay, so ruler, we can measure the length of many small things with the help of a ruler. Here given ruler is given, so you can see that 1 2 3 4 this downside up to 15 it is there, it is called centimeter. Okay, and upside you can see that is inches, but we have to measure this centimeter. A ruler is marked in centimeter and in inches. You can see upside it is inches, and downside you can see up to 15 number it is centimeter. Exercise 1, it is given, write meter or centimeter depending on whether the length is long or short. Again I am repeating that when long thing is there at that time, we will write meter, and short thing or any object is there at that time, we will write centimeter. So the length of a table we will measure in centimeter. Okay, the length of a door, it will come meter. The length of a pen, centimeter. The length of a book, centimeter. The length of a comb we will measure in centimeter, and the length of a pin, it will come centimeter. Okay, so up to here I am explaining you, so till that you learn. And here write the length of each line in centimeter. Centimeter is given and the first one has been done for you. So scale is given, so here 1 to 4 centimeter it is given, so 4 centimeter. Here they have given 0 to 7, so 7 centimeter it will come, and here 0 to 10, so 10 centimeter will come. And relation between meter and centimeter I will explain you in next video.